Welcome back to Best Reviews, the channel where we explore some of the most innovative and modern housing solutions available today. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 remarkable prefab homes, each designed with unique features for comfort, efficiency, and durability. Let's get started. Number 5. Walkmax Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin. The Walkmax Luxury Modern Prefab Cabin is a 19-foot-long tiny home built for contemporary living. Its floor-to-ceiling windows fill the space with natural light, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. This prefab kit comes with lightweight panels that include pre-aligned utility ports for quick plumbing and electrical installation using basic tools. Its customizable interior layout allows flexibility for bedroom, bathroom, and living arrangements. The structure features reinforced interlocking joints and composite wall panels for strength in various weather conditions. A sloped aerodynamic roof prevents rain and snow buildup, while testing in wind tunnel and earthquake simulations ensures long-term durability. Number 4. Walkmax Compact 2-story prefab tiny house. The Walkmax Compact 2-story prefab tiny house is a flat-pack home designed for easy assembly and smart use of space. Measuring about 234 inches deep, 110 inches wide, and 118 inches high, this 2-story structure offers a compact yet functional layout. It arrives as a prefabricated kit that can be built on-site, with built-in storage and multiple electrical outlets integrated throughout. Its design supports efficient living for a variety of purposes, including guest spaces, studios, or additional dwelling units. A minimal, practical structure made for simple installation and flexible interior design. Number 3. Whitehaven 360 Prefab Home. The Whitehaven 360 Prefab Home is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom modular unit designed for efficiency and modern aesthetics. Built using structural insulated panels, SIPS, it provides thermal insulation, soundproofing, and strong resistance to earthquakes and typhoons. Its fire-resistant exterior, stainless steel finish, and carbon crystal doors enhance both safety and durability. Inside, it features insulated tempered glass windows, a rock slab shower, and flexible interior customization options. This model includes an eco-friendly rainwater collection system that meets environmental standards and supports solar panel installation for off-grid capability. It's also smart home compatible, bringing technology and sustainability together in one modern design. Number 2. Modern Prefab ADU 490 square feet by Tuscany Doors. The Modern Prefab ADU 490 square feet by Tuscany Doors offers 490 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. It includes 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, arranged in a modern open layout. Constructed with fire-resistant cesset panels and large energy-efficient windows, the home feels bright and comfortable. Inside, it includes a full kitchen, modern bathroom, stacked laundry area, and smart home integration for convenience and energy control. It's also off-grid ready, with the option to connect to solar power systems for sustainable living. This prefab unit combines functionality and modern aesthetics in a clean, efficient design. Number 1. WINNDOORS LLS Prefab 1 Tiny Home ADU. The WINNDOORS LLS Prefab 1 Tiny Home ADU is a 320 square foot compact living unit built for practicality and durability. Designed for installation on a concrete slab, it includes a living area, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen, all arranged for efficient use of space. Large windows bring in plenty of light, while built-in storage and a hidden walk-in closet behind the TV wall help maximize interior organization. The wet room bathroom features tiled walls and a sloped floor for drainage, and the kitchen includes integrated appliances for everyday use. Optional upgrades include smart blinds, Murphy bed systems, and Starlink satellite compatibility for high-speed connectivity. The structure is built to withstand winds up to 120 miles per hour, offering strength and comfort in a minimal footprint. These 5 prefab homes highlight the innovation, craftsmanship, and versatility shaping the future of modern housing. Each design offers unique features that make compact living both efficient and stylish. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more features and reviews from Best Reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.